Independent watchmaker Armin Strom is known for pushing boundaries with technical marvels like resonance and gravity equal force. But in 2021, the brand showed it could do elegance just as well with the Tribute One, a refined, modern take on the dress watch. And now, that vision returns in a striking new edition, the Tribute One Sandstein. This version pays tribute to Armin Strom's hometown of Bergdorf, Switzerland, inspired by its sandstone architecture, a symbol of strength and timelessness. The dial embraces warm, monochromatic tones, an off-centered, sand-colored guilloche dial with Roman numerals, polished rhodium-plated hands, and a frosted background that adds depth and texture. It's paired with a sand-toned Alcantara strap for a refined, cohesive look. But in true Armin Strom style, there's always more beneath the surface. At 1 o'clock, the motor barrel, held under a hand-finished finger bridge, is proudly on display, a technical statement delivering an impressive 100-hour power reserve. Inside is the in-house caliber AMW 21, beating at 3.5 Hz with a flat hairspring and variable inertia balance wheel. The finishing is superb. Hand-beveled bridges, Geneva stripes, circular graining, and polished screws. And as with all Tribute One models, each watch is assembled twice, underscoring Armin Strom's commitment to precision. The Tribute One Sandstein is housed in a 38mm stainless steel case, just 9.38mm thin, with sharp lugs and contemporary lines, a modern interpretation of the classic dress watch. Limited to 50 pieces and priced at 22,000 Swiss francs, the Armin Strom Tribute One Sandstein blends warmth, technical mastery, and independent spirit in a truly distinctive dress watch. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories of the world's most extraordinary mechanical timepieces.